Hey, PeaRoy, how in the world are you?
Well, I'm good, Mr. Rick. How in the world are you? It looks like it's done warmed up quite a bit.
Yeah, it's a little warmer, ain't it?
Why, yeah.
Feels much better than it did last time, don't it?
Hey, it sure is. Hey, listen, have you heard any good jokes?
I've heard a couple of jokes you want to hear. I tell you what, let me tell mine first. And then I'll let you tell yours,
Okay.
all right?
All right, sounds good.
All right.
All right.
Well, let's see here. All right, well, let's remind everybody these are dad jokes.
Yes, they are.
So
Dad jokes.
dad jokes equates to bad jokes, so whatever.
Yeah, they do.
All right, but these are pretty good, I think.
All right, well, go
Well,
ahead.
one time there was this fella, and he checked into a motel there, and he was sitting on the bed, didn't have nothing to do, and he looked down there, and he opened up the drawer there, and there was the Gideon's Bible and a card,
You don't say.
a little calling card there, and he looked at it, and it read on there, if you have a drinking problem, call this number.
Oh, okay.
Well, I ain't got nothing else to do, so he reached down there and called the number. It was a liquor store.
Liquor store. That's terrible.
I know that ain't funny.
That ain't funny.
It shouldn't be funny,
I know,
but somehow
right?
I found it.
But it is. I don't even know why I laughed. Go ahead and tell them nothing.
Okay, well, one time I had to go to the lake, so I went over and I knocked. I went to my grandpa's house and knocked on the door, and I said, "Grandpa, what's the quickest way to get to the lake?" He says, "Well, are you walking or are you driving?"
Okay.
I said, "Well, I'm driving." He said, "Well, that's the quickest way."
Well, that is the quickest way. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink to that.
Yeah, me too.
Did I tell you that my grandpa he was a veterinarian and a taxidermy?
Okay. All right, well, that's
Yeah, he had a sign over his door there that said, "No matter what happens to your dog here, you're gonna take him home."
Oh, Lord. Oh, goodness. That ain't. Oh.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, taxidermy.
I don't believe I told that.
That's funny. I don't care who you are.
Yeah, well, it is funny.
Oh my. Did I ever tell you that my mama's cooking was so bad that all the flies got together and chipped in to help fix the screen door?
Oh. That's terrible. You are not.
That's not true. My mother was a wonderful.
You are not say that kind of thing.
That's not true.
I know it ain't. He's a good cook.
One time there was this fella, and he broke into this fella's apartment, and he immediately heard something over in the corner and said, "Jesus is watching you."
Oh.
And the old burglar looks around, he didn't see nothing. He flips on the light,
Yeah.
and it's a parrot.
Oh.
Its parrot says again, "Jesus is watching you." He said, "Did you see that?" He said, "Yeah." He said, "What's your name?" He said, "Polly." He said, "Well, you said Jesus is watching you."
Yeah.
He said, "Yeah, that's the Rottweiler."
Oh. Oh my goodness, man.
I know, I've heard that before.
Well, I'll tell you a long joke.
All right, I'll tell him a long joke
Yeah.
now.
Okay.
One time there was this blind man,
Okay.
and he had a seeing-eye dog, and he walked into the Sears and Roebuck store,
Oh.
and he picked him up by his tail and just started
Oh my.
slinging him,
Oh.
slinging him round and round and round and round and round and round. All of a sudden, here comes the Sears and Roebuck salesman and said, Sir, can I help you?"
Oh.
He said, "No, I'm just looking around."
That shouldn't be funny either, but it is.
Oh man, that's funny right there. I don't care who you are.
Oh my.
All right, you tell yours.
All right. Well, one time I heard a knock on the door, and there's 2 Jehovah's Witnesses, so I invited them in. Have a seat on the couch.
Jehovah's Witnesses.
He said,
Okay.
I said, let me give you some coffee.
Ask them in.
Yeah. And I said, well, gentlemen, what do y'all want to talk about? Well, they looked at each other and said, well, I don't really know, because we ain't never made it this far.
That's funny, right? All right, give me there.
Why did God make man first before before the woman.
Why did God make man before women? I don't know.
Well, because God didn't want any suggestions.
I don't know if I tell that one, man.
Yeah.
You're going to get yourself in trouble. All right, tell another.
A politician should serve 2 terms. One as a politician and 1 year as a prisoner.
You're right
If I
about
can
that,
tell
man.
joke right, I'd
You're
be
right. Especially with some of these politicians. All right, give me that.
Well, the devil got arrested. Do you know what for?
They arrested the devil.
Uh-huh.
For what?
Possession.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's like, what was that movie we used to watch?
That wasn't Poltergeist.
I can't remember. It's where the lady's head spun around and around and around.
Oh, The Exorcist.
Exorcist.
That's right.
All right, tell the last one.
All right, well, I had the results of my IQ test come in. It was negative.
Oh my goodness, man. That's there.
Oh, man.
I ain't never heard that told. All right, tell your long joke.
All right, well, there was this man and this woman, and they were 60 years old, and they were celebrating their 40th wedding anniversary. So they was walking down the beach.
To the beach, okay. Walking on the beach.
And they come up on this bottle. So the old man picks it up and rubs it, and the genie comes out. Okay?
Oh.
And so I'll give each one of y'all 1 wish. He said, okay. He said,
Okay.
he looked over at the woman and says, well, what do you have? She said, well, I've always wanted to go around the world. I'd like that. And so a helicopter come down and handed her 2 tickets. She said, wow, that is awesome. And so he said, mister, what can I do for you? He said, well, I'll be honest with you. I always wanted a wife that was 30 years younger than me. And then poof, he was 90 years old. I know, right?
Oh man, that's not good.
Woo, man, that's terrible right there. I don't care what y'all say. He shouldn't have guessed that.
I'm not gonna say that's what would happen to me, but I'm not going there. I love my wife. I'm going where she's going. Look again, we're gonna end on that now. All right, look, if y'all got some dad jokes, how about writing them up, send them in to PeaRoy, and you can the email address and all that stuff will be right here at the end of this. Okay. So glad you came. I'll talk to you later.
All right, Mr. Rick, I'll talk to you later. And like him, I appreciate you guys coming around. I'll talk to you later.